Alistair from Motorhome Depot, and this morning I am looking at a beautiful VW T6.1 camper van conversion by Rolling Homes. And this is based on a DSG 4x4, so it's the 4Motion version, and it looks something like this. So in this beautiful red with the black splitter at the bottom, black front, see it's got sensors at the front there, these lovely black wheels, got a 2-lay awning all the way across there, Shackleton version from Rolling Homes, and then coming round you can see you've got this great 4-bike rack. Obviously it's on the tailgate rather than the barn doors, which gives you that option of extra space and extra room here. Storage cupboard at the back, which has got lots of things, ramps and the leisure batteries in there, and hook up and solar controller and all those bits and pieces that you need, they're all in there. You can see the rib bed at the back there. Gorgeous in the sunshine this morning. Let's have a look see inside. So coming in, I've spun the seats round, so the passenger seat is right the way round. The driver's seat only goes as far as that. You've got here the 2 gas burner hob and a generous sink, controller for lights and for the Webasto night heaters, because you've got storage heater, diesel storage heater in here. Got a fridge, freezer, and then plenty of storage space. You've got a big cupboard here with your gas tank goes in there. Under here, under the rib bed, you've got all sorts of things, silver screen, and you have got a little porta potty which is tucked away in there as well, which you can get hold of. More cupboard space up here. You see the inverter in there, fuse box, little storage cupboard there, so plenty of everything. Let me show you the bed out now. So you can see here I've folded out the rib bed. You see you've got a lot of room in there, plenty of space, a nice generous comfortable looking rib bed for it. And then up here we've got the top bed, the bedboard up here which drops down. We've got the side windows, and it has also got a light system up here, so you can have lights up here at night. But a lot of room, a lot of space, storage or sleeping, whichever. There's lots of options up here. Now, as I say, this is a T6.1 2021 in the year. Aircon, obviously, it's DSG, and it is the 4Motion version, and mileage is at 24,000 miles, which 28,000 miles, 28,524 is the mileage at the moment, so be a bit higher by the time you come to see it. Plenty of room in the pop top. A great conversion as ever from Rolling Homes. So, if you'd like any more information about this beautiful VW T6.1, it's DSG, it's 4Motion, not many of those knocking around, professionally converted by Rolling Homes, lovely inside. If you'd like some more details, like to arrange to come down and visit it and have a look, see yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch, give me a ring, give me a text, give me a WhatsApp, any way you like it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe when you get to the end of the video. Thanks very much.